Hi everyone, in this video, I will mention 10 common problems that 11th generation Ford F-150 trucks are prone to experience. Number 1. The plastic components of the window regulators are prone to break over time, causing the affected window not to roll up. Replacing the damaged window regulator with a new one solves the problem. Number 2. The cam facers in some V8 engines are prone to experience premature failure, causing rattling noises coming from the front upper part of the engine. The VCT solenoids are also prone to malfunction and to experience premature failure, causing the engine valve timing to be off, and as a result the engine vibrates at low RPMs, lacks power, and experiences pinging sounds under acceleration. In both cases, replacing the damaged components with new replacements of better quality solves those problems. Number 3. The two-piece spark plugs found in many 5.4-liter V8 engines are prone to break in half when removing them from the cylinder head during a tune-up procedure. There are several companies who make tools similar to the one shown on the screen that allows the broken section to be removed from the engine. To solve this problem permanently, it is recommended to replace the failure-prone OEM two-piece spark plugs with aftermarket one-piece designed replacements similar to the ones shown on the screen. Number 4. The overdrive servo retaining snap ring in some 4R70E and 4R75E automatic transmissions is prone to break. And oftentimes the broken piece travels through the opening, making its way inside the valve body, and gets stuck in between the overdrive servo pressure regulator valve, causing it to remain open constantly, and as a result the transmission loses overdrive. Removing the broken piece, installing a new servo, new valve body gasket, and a better quality snap ring solves the problem. Number 5. The friction discs and steel plates of the clutch pack in limited slip differentials tend to experience abnormal wear when the rear differential fluid is not changed at the recommended intervals and the friction modifier breaks down. This abnormal wear causes the truck to shake and vibrate when turning at low speeds. Replacing the clutch pack with a high-quality set, followed by adding the correct amount and type of gear lubricant, along with the correct amount of friction modifier solves the problem. Number 6. The frame in trucks that are driven in climates where it snows often is prone to rust. The body of the truck is also prone to rust on the lower edges and the lower corners when driven in those types of climates. Number 7. The forward clutch drum in some 4R70E and 4R75E automatic transmissions is prone to crack and split along the snap ring groove as shown on the screen. This causes the transmission to slip in first, second, and third gear, and in severe cases the transmission won't engage in any of the forward gears. The splines of the drum are also prone to strip as shown on the screen, causing similar problems. A company named Sonix makes the SmartTech heavy-duty direct clutch drum with integrated stuffed shaft shown on the screen that won't crack and it won't strip because of its one-piece design. Installing this heavy-duty clutch drum along with new clutches solves the problem. Number 8. The needle bearings of the roller rocker arms of the 5.4-liter V8 engines are prone to experience abnormal wear, causing engine ticking noises due to the excessive slack. If the damaged rocker arm is not replaced on time, it will cause damage to the camshaft lobe it rides on as shown on the screen. It is recommended when replacing the damaged rocker arm to replace all of them with a set of better quality, and if possible, replace all the hydraulic lash adjusters, also known as hydraulic lifters, with new ones. Also, if one of the camshaft lobes was damaged by a bad roller bearing, it will be necessary to replace the damaged camshaft with a new one. Number 9. The OEM oil pump in some 5.4-liter V8 engines is prone to experience rapid and abnormal wear, causing the engine to have low oil pressure. It is recommended to replace the failure-prone OEM oil pump with a better quality replacement, like the high-performance, high-volume Melling oil pump shown on the screen. Number 10. The intermediate steering shaft in trucks that are driven in climates where it snows often is prone to rust, and this can cause the U-joints in the shaft to seize, resulting in a steering wheel that is hard to turn. Another common problem with the intermediate steering shaft is that even if the truck is not driven in severe climates, the U-joints tend to experience rapid and abnormal wear, causing play and clunking sounds when turning the steering wheel side to side, and clunking sounds coming from the steering column when driving on dirt roads. Replacing the worn steering shaft with a new one solves the problem. Those are 10 common problems that 11th generation Ford F-150 trucks are prone to experience.